Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hello. So you want to know more about how to make homemade deep hair conditioner? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to make homemade deep hair conditioner is PetitElephant.com. See the page titled How to Make Homemade Deep Hair Conditioner, Petit Elephant. This is the link. You can also try shoutenwhisper.hubpages.com, especially the page How to Make Homemade Deep Conditioner, Hub Pages. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.liveastrong.com. The web page How to Make Homemade Hair Conditioners for Dry Hair. This is the link.